Everywhere across campus, we work with colleagues who are increasingly seeing the value of technology in delivering education. Gonzaga's mission is to educate our students for lives of leadership and service. To do that, we focus on the whole person. We educate them intellectually, physically, and spiritually to create a unique Gonzaga experience.
Our IT department consists of about 60 employees, and that's supporting the entire organization.
We support all kinds of applications on campus, from parking to security to door access to accounts payable, accounts receivable.
We're kind of that gatekeeper of keeping the data flowing across campus.
The conflict I was facing was that the colleagues that we were working with across campus had to come to us and speak our language.
Because now, instead of everyone doing things manually, we have more automated applications that we as developers have to support.
We started our iPaaS journey in 2018. We ended up selecting another iPaaS solution other than Workato at the time.
In those 5 years, we got the hang of the previous iPaaS solution. But of course, there were some challenges on the EDH side, the MDM side.
What originally was supposed to be a modernization became a matter of technological debt.
When we were building Boomi integrations, it wasn't easy. There was a lot of complexity in everything we did.
It was built for technicians, and it took longer than we expected.
The integrations that we were building before were very brittle, easily broken. When they did break, there was just a handful of people on campus that could fix them.
And at that phase, we decided to take a step back.
We were very much looking for a solution that presented itself well to people who are not primarily developers.
We also really wanted to hone in on master data management.
So then our CTO says, I think it's time we should take another look at Workato.
And at first I was very excited. Then we realized that we are also going to be implementing new CRM. Not only that, since we are deep in our existing iPaaS, we will have to convert that.
And given how long it takes us on average to do an integration, 10 days and 120 something integrations, I don't have the manpower to get that done by the time our contract is up in May.
And it just seemed like as we took on the first few integrations and did the conversions, we were like, wow, that was faster than we expected.
Our average build for any integration was at least 10 days. We started bringing in Workato and we started to see 5 days, easy.
I think once we started seeing Workato in action, the way it did the bulk processing, it did, I think, thousands of records in a matter of minutes. That was amazing. I think that was a turning point.
And so we were like, okay, this is it. And we actually finished up ahead of time. We beat the deadline by like 2 weeks.
When we implemented Workato, I think that was part of making work enjoyable again.
I think our biggest strategic decision that we've made is really focusing on that citizen developer and figuring out a way to really roll this solution out to our end users.
Being able to empower people is just phenomenal, and it's a differentiator.
The Workato gives us the ability to utilize data pipelines to integrate Salesforce with Snowflake. We also have the opportunity to utilize Workato Genie, which is bringing the AI fold into the mix.
Having a tool to do that is an enormous power that we have that helps us to really improve the lives of students and faculty and staff.
We want the students to use this platform. We want them to learn this technology. We want them to learn and understand integrations, data orchestrations.
I believe that we are blazing a trail. We have now this infrastructure in place that's going to really shape the future of this university.